Alright, welcome back. So, I am pretty busy these past few days and I haven't really updated in the last few weeks, but I'm just here to give you guys a little update. I am gonna be busy for the next month and I am going cross country to get married. So for that reason, I won't be able to make any videos, but I do have a few things planned in the future. I have created a few demos for myself to work with, play around with, and maybe send you guys some updates on them and just give you some more updates on that. But other than that, I will definitely be gone for a whole month or more, and I won't be able to really help in making new updates, but do know that I have a lot planned up for the future. So when I come back, I will be giving you guys some really good tutorials, some advanced tutorials, and also finish up what we have left off. So other than that, I will see you guys next time. All right, see ya.